Most people get this wrong. They think PayVelo is just a standard payday or buy now pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access, flexible installment payments, and budgeting tools all in one platform. Used correctly, PayVelo can help cover short-term cash needs without creating long-term debt. Here's how PayVelo works. You can access part of your earned wages before your official payday, often within hours. Purchases eligible for split payments can be divided into manageable installments over a few weeks. PayVelo charges a flat, predictable fee per advance or split, which makes budgeting easier than dealing with traditional interest rates. PayVelo also includes helpful dashboards, notifications, and repayment reminders. These tools make it easier to track spending, avoid late fees, and plan your finances. The downside? Using PayVelo too frequently can be expensive. Repeated advances or missed payments add up, and over-reliance on the app may mask deeper financial problems. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only access funds you can repay on time. 2. Set reminders for repayments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to avoid overusing PayVelo. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. If your income is irregular or repayment discipline is weak, PayVelo could cost more than it saves. In conclusion, PayVelo in 2026 is a convenient tool, but only when used wisely. Track fees, plan repayments, and treat it as a temporary solution. Subscribe for more honest financial app reviews and practical money tips.